This one was the table structure. There we have seen, yes, if you have the table, then table caption tr th td, caption tr th td, and after that we'll have a next call, mm, uh, remaining their properties. So table 1 was based on that based. Now we are going to create one more file, table2.html, with some other property. Table2.html based on some other property. Starting will happen from HTML. Then we'll go ahead with the body part and we'll create a table. That table will be align as a center and cell padding as a 10. Align center, cell padding as a 10. T head we can write. T head we can close. TR we can open close. Here we'll follow the TH. Example, customer ID. Next call full name. Full name. Next call mobile number. Next will be email ID, or email ID replaced with the city name. Next will be service name. Next will be status. So this many details we have in a T head, table head. Table head says like, if you write anywhere, it will come in the upper section of the table page. T head. Now let's come down and write the T foot. Same thing you will copy and paste below as a T foot. T foot. T foot. Now for T head, TRBG color will be orange color, and T foot TRBG color will be pink color. BG color is the property. Okay, next after this, come down, write the T body. T head will appear in the beginning of the table. T foot will go at the end of the table. T body will come in the middle of the table. T body will be in the middle. T foot will be in the last. T head will be on the top. Okay. Next T body we are writing. To understand where the T body will come. T body will have TD now. First customer ID 01. Second customer ID something Ganesh. Next mobile number. Next city. Next city. Next TD call service. AC repair. Next status in progress. Okay, let's save the file, run it. So in this three segment we got the first element we have inside the table called T head. This is according to HTML5. Okay. T head. After that we have next called T foot. T head will come on the top of the table. T foot will come at the end of the table. T body will be in the middle of the header and footer. While writing purposefully, I have written in the last. But once you run the page, you will find T body will take the place between header and footer. T body will take the place between header and footer. T body will take the place between header and footer. Okay, let me run this file. See how that looks. It is here. T head you have on the top. T head you have on the top. T foot is in the last. T body is in between. T head, T body, T foot. T head we have given orange color. T head BG color is orange. It's coming up. T foot BG color is pink. It is coming down. T body we have not given any color. In fact, we have written in the last. Sequence wise also if you see, we have written in the last. But when we go to the browser, it's come in the middle here. Right? That we will be using the T body while creating the T body. When we create a table with the, let's suppose 1 lakh customer you have, and you want to apply the pagination, searching, sorting, descending order if you want to filter the records, right? So in that case, directly we cannot do. So we have one library from the jQuery library. That jQuery library says like, if you want to apply the pagination, sorting, searching without much writing the code, then in your table just you apply the T head, T body and T foot, and then that library will take care. Library will help you to just apply all the functionality. Okay, so next what we are going to do, add some more users. User 2, Ramesh, phone number 2222. Bangalore, replace to Pune. Okay, after that, this customer is looking for bike repair and still process is in pending. If you run the page, we will find like multiple customer, multiple records we have now, and for every record, the heading is same, footer is same. Header and footer is same, just bottom section is different. Header footer is same, the bottom section is different. So let me see here again. You can see header is same, footer is same, middle content is changing. You can add 3-4 customers. So it will be proper when we look into the table. 03 Gandhi, Mumbai. Cycle. Repair. Completed. Okay. Then we can see like 3 customers will come. Correct. Now we can add one heading on the top. Before table. Now caption will not take the place inside because this is the different table structure. In this caption you can't write. This is the second table structure. So H1 we have to keep outside and we have to write here for align equal to center, and then we can write customer list. So we can create the table without T head, T body, T put. We can create the table with the table T head, T body, T put. If we follow the T head, T body, T put, search functionality will be better. Searching, sorting, pagination will be easy to apply. If you are not writing the T head, T body, T footer, search functionality will be little difficult to apply. Okay, searching, sorting, pagination will be little difficult to apply. Let's come down, look into the browser, how that look. Right, so heading came on the top. Next, after that, table have property, we can apply the width 70%. It will take the 70% of screen. Okay, check now. It will take the 70% of the screen. Same table will become more white. So these all are the properties. We are going to make a note under the table list. We are going to make the note under the developer guide. Okay, so if you want to add one more customer, so in table, what are the things we added? Number one, we have called T head that appear on the top of the table. T body will come in the middle of the table. T foot will go at the end of the table. T body, we have not given any color. T head is orange color, T foot is pink color. Now when we go here and look into the browser, T head is which color? T head is orange color and T foot is which color? Pink color. Correct. Now let us go next and come to the developer right page. We have added what are the properties? One is called align, v-align, border and cell binding. And this you have followed. This is the table structure one. This is the table structure one. We can write one more table structure. Table will have a caption. No, table will not have caption in the second structure. In the second structure, table will have T head. Next, it will have T body. And then it will have called T foot. T foot. T head, T body, T foot. T head, T body, T foot. Now T head will give you the TR, and under the TR you have to write the only TH. T body will give you the TR. Here you have to write only TD. T foot will give you the TR. And it will also have TH. So this is suitable for if need to apply search, sort, and pagination. This table suitable without search, sorting, and pagination. Without searching, sort, and pagination. This is. So we can make a note of both the methods. Then we can use it. Will be more clear. Okay, ready? So next we will create the next file to implement the next feature. Next feature of table what we have, that is called cell spacing. You have follow on cell padding. Cell spacing. Next is called call span. Next is called row span. Next is called width of the table, height of the table, bg color of the table. Okay, so let's add this property. Cell spacing, what it will give you to apply a space outside of TH and TD. Call span, what is the use of this? It used to combine a space of two or more TH and TD. Row span, it used to combine a space of two or more TR. Width will set width of table TH and TD in pixel and percentage both. Height, it set width of table in pixel comma percentage. BG color, it used to set color for, it used to set the background color. Background color for TR, TH, TD and table also. For all we can set the background color. Okay, ready? So you can say This many properties we have for table. Out of this, we have used align, we have used cell padding, we use width, the remaining we have not used. So we will create the second file now, table3.html. There we can implement remaining property. Create the next file, table3.html. HTML start, HTML end, body start, body end. Start the table and end the table. Inside table, we will use a property here, align, that will send your table in the center. Cell padding, so between two cells, you will have sufficient space. And width of the table, give somewhere 70% again, percent of the screen, and apply one border also. Okay, so this is again first method of table I will follow. Caption, h1, item list, or maybe user list. Write a tr, th, id, full name, mobile number, city, mobile number, age, city and service. Now this table is going to cover the 70% of the width, and in that border will also come. See, border is coming. Let's add the name of the users. Next tr td 01. Right after this, ID full name. Next after that, something you can write. Again, Ganesh. He is of 30 years old. Next after that, his city is from the Delhi. Next service. He is looking for job. So first user has all the details. ID, name, mobile number we have not added. Let me add the mobile number also. So this particular user has all the details and he is looking for job. Looking for job. Next user we need to see. Next user is who has not given all the details. He has some record is missing. Suppose second user tr, he has filled all the details, but service is not mentioned. What service is looking for? So what will be the table structure? TD 02 name Ganesh, you can change to Ramesh. Next after that, his contact number is something. Next TD is 40 years old. He is from Pune. But he has not mentioned what service he is looking for. User number second has not mentioned what service he is looking for. Then what we'll do? If user has not mentioned what service he is looking for, then your page will look incomplete. If I run this file, you can see here, it's looking like one column is missing. One column is missing. So the table has given the option, instead of displaying this column as empty or not exist, you can extend the city itself. The city is covering this much, we can extend it till here. So the city will cover the full width. Okay, city will cover the full width. That will be called a call span. That will be called a call span. So let's see how call span is going to work. For the city, Pune, we can write here call span equal to 2. Call span equal to 2. Meaning what is that? Call span 2 meaning it will take the place of city, as well as it will take the place of service. It will take the place of two columns, the first column as well as second column. First column as well as second column. So you will not feel like one TD is missing. It will cover entire width. Let me go here. See how it is. It's covering the full width. Let us come in again. Right, the next here. So that is called call span. Call span used to combine the space of two or more columns. So at this place, the column is taking the place of two columns. It's covering the space of two columns using the property called call span. Pune is taking the place of one TD, and the Pune only taking the place of second TD also. Okay, so let us see next. Next TD 03. Next TD and then TD 33333. Next TD 25 years. City is Bangalore. And service is home repair. So the first user has everything. Second user has not everything. So we apply a call span to combine the space of two columns. Third user has everything. So no need to apply the call span. Third user has everything. Now fourth user is in such a way where the user number 4 has given the name and mobile number, remaining nothing he has filled. Age, city, service, he has not given anything. Only name and mobile he has given. So let us see how that it looks. Next here, ATD 04 GD Mohit. Mobile number is there. After that, city, age, service is not mentioned and not. Nothing is mentioned. Okay, remaining fields are not available itself. Now, if I run this file, we'll see it look like complete, incomplete. We want that mobile should take the remaining space because the remaining columns are not exist. So mobile should take the remaining all the space. mobile should take the remaining all the space. So there, for mobile number, we have to write call span. But how many columns are missing? That also we need to understand. Total number of columns are missing. That is 3 columns: year, city, and service. 3 columns are missing, and you are asking the mobile number to take the remaining 3 space. So 3 space will be of mobile, and 1 space will be of, sorry, 1 space of mobile and 3 is missing. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. Total call span should be 4. Okay, let me check now. You can see now total 4 columns are getting merged using the call span. Let's come now. One more user. TD 05 name is mobile number is also there. Next TD age is also mentioned 40 years, but after age again 2 columns are missing. That is called city and service. City and service, these 2 columns are missing still. Now I will go here. If I run the page, you will find that the 2 columns are missing. That is called city and service. So in that case, we will ask this age 40 years to extend till end. We will ask the age to get extend till the remaining 2 columns. So city is 1 missing and service is another missing. So 2 is missing field and 1 will be called age. So total will be 3. So we can write here call span equal to 3. It will combine the space of 3 columns. Hope it look like this. So this is called call span. Here also, and here also. Now we can add one last user with all the details. TD 06 Ravi. Next TD. Next TD 30 years. Next TD from Chennai. Next TD okay. So these all are the last user. We have not given any missing column. We have provided all the columns. Let us check now how that look. So this customer last user have all the details. Right. So hope you got some idea on call span. Call span used to combine the space of two or more columns. So here is the call span. Here is the call span. Here is the call span. Let me write in the last after end of the table. Align as the center. Call span used to combine the space of two or more columns. Okay, next example we'll create to understand the row span. How row span will work. So let's create next file, table4.html. From previous file, I can take the table because the structure will keep similar. Functionality will make some changes. First close the table, then close the body, close the HTML. We can write inside the row span example. Row span example. Write the next tr where the customer have all the details. I will take the first user from here. This customer has all the details. Second customer also belong to Delhi. The user number 1 belong to Delhi. User number 2 also belong to Delhi. User number 2 also belong to Delhi only. Now, if user number 2 also belong to Delhi, then 2 times definitely you are not going to write the Delhi. Let me write here. So is the possibility of duplicate. TD says 02. Next TD is like Ganesh replaced by Mahesh. TD 2. Next TD for 40 years or maybe 40 years, something different age. Next, if you write here Delhi, DELHI Delhi. Next, we can write here for looking for something. Home repair. Now you will find first user also belong to Delhi. Second user also belong to Delhi. So Delhi is coming how many times? 2 times. Delhi become as a duplicate data. Delhi is displaying as a duplicate data. If same record display 2 times, then our database concept says like down to like that. If similar record is 2 times, then you can display only 1 time and use the row span. So it will happen for both the users. Okay, next after that, let's go for the daily. Now suppose if I run my page here daily 2 times, daily 2 times, right here, daily become a 2 times. So we can display only 1 time and it will combine for both the user. We can display 1 time and it will combine for both the user. How that look? Go here. For the first daily, that is for the user number 1, you will write called row span 2. Row span 2. So this user is going to take the place. This user is going to take the place in the first. This daily is going to take the place for the first user also, and daily only will take the place for the second user also. So the second user I will delete from here. Second daily I'll delete from here. Not required because the first user daily will cover the space in the first row TD and it will take the space in the second TR also. Like same TD will take the place here and the same TD will take the place in the second row also. Then how that look? Look like this. Okay, let me show in the browser. See, you can see daily is coming how many times? 2 times. Then next, write the next TR. Inside you will find the third user have all the details, but the third user is also 40 years only. Third user is also of how much? 40 years. Third user is also of 40 years. Correct. So what we will do is we will go to the third user, will follow the TD, 03 will follow. Next TD will follow here call, maybe Madhu. Next TD, the number. Next TD, the age. How much? Similar as a 40 years. Next TD, looking for some service. First city will come from Bangalore. After that, next what they'll do, something AC repair. Correct. So you got 2 user. In the first row also you have 1 user. Their city and the second user city was same. So we combine together. After that, in the third row, we have a user, their age, and in the second row we have a user, their age. Both are same. Both are same. So what we have to do? We have to combine with their row span. So look at here. The second user age we have, there we'll write call row span equal to 2. Row span equal to 2. In the second row, there is a user that is called row span equal to 2. Then in the third row, user age is not required. Why? Because it will get covered by previous user 40 years. Because both the age are same. I'll delete from here and then let me show you how it looks. Okay, then you will find like something this. See, user number 2 and 3 both age is similar. User number first and second city is similar. Now user number 4 also looking for the same problem, AC repair only. So let's write the next user. User number 4 TD 04 Gyan next TD is for mobile number 444. Next after that after mobile number city will come or what it is. After mobile number age we have keep 30 years. 30 years. That should be TD 30 years. Next after that we have to write the city, which city is from Delhi. Delhi. Next after that looking for the same problem. AC repair. Okay, check now. See here how it comes. AC repair, how many times? 2 times. Now AC repair is coming 2 times. So solution is will not display the AC repair 2 times. We will display the AC repair only 1 time. And after that, we will use the row span. So previous user, you can write row span equal to 2. And the last user, you will cut the row span AC repair. So same AC repair now will appear for both the users. Hope ready. Look into the browser. For both the user, AC repair will be only one time. So that is called row span. Display write one place and display multiple places. Now you can write the last customer with all the details. The customer in the last with all the details. Customer number 5, Mandeep. 43 years. Daily and job. Daily or maybe Bhopal, and then looking for job. Save the file. You will find table is ready with a multiple columns. Let me check now. See, everything is coming. So this is your row span and call span. Row span and call span. Go next. After this, we will create some pages. We will use the table tag and we will use the hyperlink. Yesterday we have made the hyperlink. Now table is ready with the row span, call span. So hyperlink and table we will use to and we'll make some 4-5 pages, and then we'll see how these all are going to work. So next file will be in the same folder. Let me go to the developer guide and write a note here. Table and href and page linking. Multiple tables, multiple pages. So we are going to create following files: home.html, profile.html, education.html, one more file, project.html, and one more file, experience.html, exp.html. 5 files. We are going to create that 5 files. Okay, so create this file quickly. Home.html. It will be many to many link. Like now you saw the 5 files are there. So in each file, there will be many to many link. Any file can connect from any file. Any file will get linked to the any file. Like all the files will be linking with the all the files. All to all. So let me create the home file. First we'll create quickly all the files. Then we will do some content replacement. Inside the home file, inside the HTML folder, home.html one file. Next other what files are there? Profile.html. Next file is called education.html. Next file is called project.html. Next file is called exp.html. Okay, so these all files are ready. Now we'll start from home file. That is the main file. Home file where went. Here was a file called home. Yeah, home is here only. So inside home file, we will add now HTML, and then we'll start with the body tag. Then inside that, we will use table tag. We will use align equal to center, cell padding equal to 10, write a tr, write the td, ahref, my home. It will go to home.html. Home.html. Next, after that, we have called profile. So we can write here profile.html, my profile. Next will be called two is ready. Third one is called education, my education. Next one is project, project.html, my project. Next is called experience, my experience. Hope you're writing. Let us see this file, how that look. So hyperlink is ready on the top for hyperlink. Now below the hyperlink, we can write one HR color equal to gray color, size equal to 2. size equal to 2. So from beginning to last, see it's like this. Gray line came. Gray line we can change to some other color, attractive color, green color. Here green color is appear. Next, after that, we can write one H1 align equal to center. And there we can write my home. My dashboard.
लंबा पाइप चाहिए लंबा लंबा इसका घुमा हैंडल से घुमाने वाले खरीद देंगे
See it now. So hope header dashboard is ready. We can go here and we can write a tag called marquee tag. Inside the marquee tag, we can put a text in a paragraph. All to for query. This will become a scrolling text. Marquee will make your text as a scrollable. Your text will start scrolling automatically. The text will start scrolling automatically. The text will start scrolling automatically. That is the functionality of marquee tag. So let us see how that looks. So automatically some text will start scrolling. That is because of marquee tag. Okay, something like this. That is called marquee tag. In marquee tag, we have some property we can add it and it will increase the speed. Let's add one more here. Direction equal to down. Direction equal to down. So this text will start scrolling in the towards bottom. This text will start scrolling towards bottom. Okay, this text will start scrolling towards bottom. Now, when it will start scrolling down, see how it look. It is going down, but it is not covering much area. We have to give the height here. Height. In how much height it should move. Suppose if I give 300, height. So this marquee tag will start moving in total 300 of the height. Okay, the marquee tag will scroll in the complete of 300 of the height. So let us see how that look. You can see this will go up to 300. After 300, it will become disappear. Total in 300 height it will come. That is called direction property. So home file will leave now. Come to the next file. That is called profile.html. In profile, already we have profile file. So in profile file, we will copy and paste everything from here, A to Z, all end to end. A to Z, I'll copy paste from here in profile page. This bottom section we can remove and we can write here directly call my profile. My profile. My profile. Now two pages should work properly. Home and profile. See, home and profile both will work. Hyperlink is ready. Home to profile we can go, and profile to home we can come. We can go to any file. All the files are exist. From home directly we can go to experience also. All the files are ready. But hyperlink should be there everywhere. Content should be there, then it will work. So I will copy this much and I will place under the education page. Then I will write here called my education. My education. Next, after that, we'll create the next file called project.html. Project.html. Let me copy everything. In project file, I will add same. For my pro. Then one more file we have. Same thing we'll copy and paste. Experience. exp.html. My experience. My experience. Okay. So these all pages are ready. Next, in this all the pages, we have to display the different type of content. So only heading we have written. Remaining things to be right. Let me run and show you all pages are loading or not. So my home, profile, education, project, experience. You are able to go anywhere to anywhere. All the pages are linking properly. In this all the pages, we can add the different content and then we can see how that appears. Right, so in profile page, we can go. Image we have in the folder, yeah, we have image. In profile photo, profile page. In profile page, we can write one center tag, and inside the center tag, we can write one imgsrc 2.jpg. I have in my folder. Height of the photo, maybe 150. Width of the photo, 150. Okay. So it will display one photo. Save the file, check once. One photo will appear here. Below will display the other names, other details. Okay, so Kiran, what is your email ID? I'll share the videos. I was uploading yesterday, so one
Yes.
100 MB, no, nearly.
Yeah.
We need to upload in YouTube. From there, we need to send a link. So your email ID, let me check once.
Sure. I will write it here, sir.
I have in the list. I will confirm once.
Sure.
Email ID. Okay, one write once. It is here on this one. Email here. Okay, I found it. A second. Kiran, after that, MOKSHI, right? @hotmail.com.
That's right. That's right.
Okay. You send your email, this one. What is your email, Rishabh? Rishabh Kumar. Videos I have uploaded in YouTube. That link I will send you. Because one videos are 100 plus MB. Through Gmail, it will not go. Through any source, it will not go.